Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. These will be essential for safely opening your device and handling the components inside. Start by powering off your Lenovo 15ACH6 and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to prevent damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. As you lift the panel, be cautious of any cables that may be attached. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the back panel removed, you will now have access to the internal components of your laptop. Locate the charging port, which is typically situated near the battery. Before proceeding, it's advisable to clean the area around the charging port using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help remove any dust or debris that could interfere with the repair. Next, disconnect the battery by carefully unplugging the connector. This step is vital to ensure that no power is running through the device while you work. After disconnecting the battery, you can now focus on the charging port itself. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove any screws securing the charging port in place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the charging port from its housing. If it feels stuck, double-check for any additional screws or clips that may be holding it in place. Now take your new charging port and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Press it down gently until it clicks into place. Secure the new port by replacing the screws you previously removed. Remember to reconnect the battery before reassembling the back panel. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, ensuring you don't have to worry about transport. Our professional diagnosis without obligation can help you determine if this repair is right for you. Once the battery is reconnected, carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop. Ensure that all clips are aligned and press down firmly to secure it. Replace all screws to ensure the panel is tightly fitted. Finally, power on your Lenovo 15ACH6 and test the new charging port with your charger. If everything works as expected, congratulations on completing the repair. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Remember, with our service there are no calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your laptop problems. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.